If your washer isn't draining excess water, don't panic. There's probably just a small issue with the washer that is causing the problem. Before anything else, make sure the washer is level. Next, check the drain hose. This is what pumps water out of the machine. To make sure it's working correctly, please make sure the drain hose is secured so it will not slip down farther, that it's not attached to a drain hose extension kit, and that it's not kinked, bent, or damaged. You should also make sure the drain hose is not inserted more than 6 inches into the drain pipe or sink. Additionally, the drain hose cannot form an airtight connection. This will cause a vacuum effect and no water will be drained. Finally, make sure the drain hose is suspended at least 18 inches high, but no higher than 96 inches. If you're using a wash basin, such as a sink, the drain hose needs to be suspended at least 24 inches high, but cannot go higher than 35 inches. If you have a front-loading washer, there may also be a clog in the pump filter, which is sometimes called the debris filter. To fix the clog, you'll need to clean the filter. First, turn off the washer and unplug the power cord. Gently press on the top area of the filter cover to open it. Place an empty container around the cover and stretch the emergency drain tube to the container. Open the tube cap and let the water from the tube drain. Turn the pump filter's knob counterclockwise and then drain the remaining water. Next, clean the pump filter using a soft brush or toothbrush. Make sure the drain pump propeller inside the filter is not clogged. Reinsert the pump filter and then turn the filter knob clockwise. Then, close the tube cap and reinsert the tube. Close the filter cover. Once you've completed all of these troubleshooting tasks, try running a test cycle on the washer. The water should drain at the beginning of the cycle. If it doesn't, you'll need to request service from Samsung support to solve the issue.